We are pleased to show you the 2020 Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.